Today, I'm back again with another quick and easy dinner recipe. Let's get into it. Alright, let's start by making a macaroni salad. There I added some salt in with my macaroni, give it a stir and allow to boil until tender or to your desired texture. Next, I'll mix up my dressing using some ranch, mayonnaise, and mustard. Remember, you can use whatever you like here. This is just my preference. To that, I will add some garlic powder, all-purpose seasoning, black pepper, and sugar. Mix that well to combine and set aside. Once the macaroni is done boiling, allow it to cool a bit, and then I added some mixed vegetables, onions, bell peppers, and that dressing that we mixed up. Give this a good toss. And once everything was well combined, I added some fresh parsley, and that's basically it. Quick, easy, and simple. You can cover this up and place it in the fridge until you're ready to serve. Now let's make a broccoli cheese casserole. I am so tired of eating steamed broccoli and stir-fried broccoli, so I'm doing it different today. I will blanch this for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, drain and set aside. To a pot, I added some butter, allow that to melt, and in with some garlic and onions. Give that a toss and allow to go for about 2 minutes or so. Next, I will add a little seasoning. I will list all the ingredients and measurements I use in the description or the caption. After that, I will come in with a can of Campbell's cheddar cheese and broccoli soup, and I will add some cream of mushroom. You want to mix and allow it to loosen up and become well combined. After that, we will come in with some cooked rice. Like I said, I will list all the ingredients and the measurements that I use. After that, you want to add your broccoli. And yeah, just give everything a good toss and let that coat your broccoli really well. And then I added some half and half milk and cream. After that, I went in with some cheese. You can add as much or as little as you like. It's just about personal preference. Once everything is well combined, we'll get ready to assemble this into our baking dish. And like I said, you want to just put this into your baking dish and level it off and then go over the top with some more cheese. I will be adding some breadcrumbs here because the restaurant that I love to eat at, which is Cheddar's, they usually serve this, and that's one of my favorite sides. And they add the breadcrumbs over top, and it's so good. So yeah, I will be adding the breadcrumbs, and we will place this in a 400-degree oven. You want to bake it on high heat because it doesn't take long, and give it about 30 minutes, and it should be absolutely perfect. This is how it looks once it was done. We're going to set this to the side and prepare our entree. So today we're going to be preparing a whole chicken. I already washed it up and cut the backbone out. And here I'll be using the seasonings, and I will list it in the description or the caption. I also have some fresh green seasoning here, and I will be adding some Chinese sauce. If you don't have Chinese sauce, you can use hoisin sauce or any brown sauce you have on hand. It's just basically for color. So we're gonna just mix this well to combine, and we're gonna coat our chicken thoroughly with that marinade. Make sure you get up into the skin, in the breast, in the legs, everywhere, and just make sure that the bird is well coated with the marinade. Once we're done, we're gonna set this to the side to marinate for about 3 to 4 hours or so. If you have time and you can let it go overnight, that would be excellent. After marinating for about 4 hours, I now placed it into a large baking dish, and we're gonna cover it and bake this on 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 1 hour. After an hour, this is how it is looking. We are now going to put it back into the oven, this time uncovered, for another 20 minutes or so. We want to get a nice golden brown color over top. After about 20 minutes, it is basically done. I'm just basting it with the juices, and we can serve this up and enjoy. It is so delicious and scrumptious looking. Look at that bird. Well marinated, juicy, tender, and absolutely divine. And here you have it, my idea of an amazing dinner. And you can serve this for Sunday dinner. You could do it for, a special date night, whatever you want. So give the recipe a try and let me know what you guys think. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements in the description or the caption, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching and enjoy.